All right, welcome back. Since 2019, Jamaica has been actively trying to reduce plastic consumption and waste production by curbing the excessive use of disposables in the food and beverage industry, starting with using custom cups. So what would it be like if you brought your own cup to the cafe? Joining us today is the boss of the Bring Your Own Cup initiative, Alex Morrissey from Esseram. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Debbie.
Bring him own a cup on brand. How are you?
I'm good.
So, I mean, we understand it, right? So 15% of Jamaica's waste is plastic. Shocking still, right?
Is it?
I don't know.
Ever drive by Kingston Harbour?
I know what it looks like, but I also understand that there has been a ban on plastic, right? For some time, right? But there's still the problem.
Yep.
Yeah. So you decided to do this initiative, why? I mean, for this reason?
Well, yes, it's a start.
Yeah.
Right? Recycling is not enough. Like a small percentage of what we actually recycle can be recycled. And people don't know that. I mean, the best thing that you can actually do is to just stop using plastic.
Yeah.
Which is going to be hard, but that's actually the solution.
Yeah. How has it been, though, since you've announced it?
It's good. We have 7 participating cafes, and some of them have locations all around Jamaica, like a Starbucks, a Cafe Blue. So it's been good. Like, people get a discount as well. So you get
They get a discount for bringing their own a cup?
You get 10% off.
You're probably
Yeah.
I think you're onto something.
At Starbucks, you get $100 off.
Wow. I'm here thinking to myself that maybe if I start carrying my own a plate with me to certain restaurants, if I can get that. You're laughing, but it's true, don't it? Can you imagine the world? Can you imagine that Jamaica if we brought our own plates and cups and get discounts?
And the businesses are saving money too.
Right. Yeah, absolutely. So you are partnering with any particular agency? Are you doing this, by yourself?
So it's a Esseram Foundation initiative.
Okay.
We're endorsed by Nodoti of Jamaica, so that's Chet. And the locations that we have is like Starbucks, Cafe Blue, Cafe Dolce, Rituals, Ragamuffin, Lemongrass. So it's not just for coffee drinkers. Like,
Yeah.
I drink tea, so Lemongrass would be my place.
Lemongrass is your place. Okay. All right. So it doesn't matter what the beverage is, just bringing your own cup, coffee, tea.
Right, hot, cold.
Okay. So I can carry and get a shake if I wanted to, or, some kind of fruit drink as well?
Absolutely.
Really? Okay. How long is this initiative running for?
So it runs until the end of December, but there are a couple locations or a couple cafes that are actually doing it, after December.
Yeah.
Some of them have been doing it before, but now this is just tying everybody together, everybody coming as one.